Hi, this is Aly with Alywillow, live here from Alywillow here in Raleigh. I wanted to just take a moment this morning and go over the gypsy sun with you. Do you ever spend time outside and your skin feels tight or it hurts, or maybe you even get sunburned? That is cellular damage that's happening from the exposure to the UV rays. So I'm going to tell you in just a minute how to avoid that. But when that happens, one of the things you want to have with you is the gypsy sun. So we actually developed this, or I developed it when I lived on Topsail Island, which is a little island off the coast of North Carolina. And I saw so many people who were sunburned and just they were spending so much time outside. It's just too much time in the damaging UV rays, which are from like 11 or 10 o'clock in the morning to about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And so what this does is it actually helps your cells repair from the damage that they've received. So all you do is after you've been outside and you feel that tightness, or you're sunburned, or your skin hurts or feels dry, you just spray it on like this. Now what's really cool is if you are sunburned and you spray this on, you don't have to rub it in. It takes the pain away like that. And for me, if I get sunburned, it takes the pain away for about 4 hours, and then I have to reapply it. So you might have to reapply it. It's not going to last forever. But usually by the second day, your skin is much better. You feel much better. Everything is healthier because the damage is being repaired. So let's talk about when you want to use this, because this is kind of important, knowing when's a good time to be outside. So this is the website page here. You can order it. We ship it out. It's actually on sale right now. That's not real common, but that's kind of a cool thing. And it's one of the reasons I wanted to do this video. So this is a chart on the Gypsy Sun page, and it talks about how from 6 to 10 o'clock is good, safe sunlight. From 10 to 3 is the damaging UV rays you want to avoid. 3 to 5, still not such a good time to be out. But 5 to 9 is 4 more hours that are safe for you to be out. And so it's a good idea to kind of plan your day, if possible, plan your day so you can spend the time outside in those morning hours and those late evening hours. So that's 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening. That's 8 hours every day of safe sunlight, so you can absorb your vitamin D and all the other nutrients the sunlight gives us. You can enjoy your time outside every day without having to worry about skin damage. But if you're in the sun from 10 to 3, definitely you're going to want to incorporate either sunscreen into your life, or long sleeves and sun umbrellas and sun hats, and make sure that you spray with the Gypsy Sun, because it's going to help your skin stay young and healthy for much longer. So thanks, guys. Let us know if you have any questions, and of course, leave little comments for us. And if you've ever used the Gypsy Sun before, would you make a note so people would see? Thanks.